Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's video is based on the historical perspective that plays significant role in the field of abnormal psychology. As we have already discussed the definition of abnormal psychology, so in today's video we will specifically focus on the major contributing historical events and historical factors that play significant role, that are contributing factors in the history of abnormal psychology. Starting with the dark ages and demonology, the time period of dark ages and the concept of demonology. During this period, the mental disorders were considered as these are associated with the demons and associated with the witchcrafts, and this belief was common in European countries from 6th to 13th century, and usually this time period is known as dark ages. Why we call it dark ages? Because there was no concept of abnormality, there was no concept of mental disorder at that time, and any type of abnormal behavior or any type of odd behavior is considered to be associated with the evil spirit, that there is an evil spirit that possesses and that controls the human mind as well as the human body. So this odd behavior is caused by the possessions, and this is not a mental disorder according to this demonology concept. And during the dark ages, mental disorder is not any type of abnormality, it is not any type of disorder, it is totally unscientific, because it is based on the just during that period there was just a concept of demonology, that there is an evil spirit that possesses the human body as well as his mind, and the odd behavior is resultant of that possession. So they use different treatment approaches to in order to release that evil spirit from the body and from the brain of human being who is showing that odd behavior. Most common treatment approaches at that time were exorcism and trepanning. So we will discuss these two techniques one by one. Exorcism is considered as the method of removing the evil spirit from the body of individual by using religious practices, by using prayers, and by sprinkling the holy water on them. It means that exorcism is the method that is basically based on religious practices. ये rely करता था religious practices पे. Religious practices क्या होती है? Prayers offer करना, holy water को sprinkle करना, किसी भी तरह का holy task perform करना in order to release the evil spirit from the body and from the mind of human being who is showing that odd behavior. Basically the word exorcism means cleansing or purifying. ठीक है जी. अब जो इंडिविजुअल ये एग्जॉर्सिज्म की ट्रीटमेंट प्रोवाइड करता था, दैट पर्सन इज नोन एज एग्जॉर्सिस्ट. एग्जॉर्सिस्ट क्योंकि ये एग्जॉर्सिज्म टेक्निक जो है ये रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस पे रिलाई करती है, सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम द एग्जॉर्सिस्ट इज अ रिलीजियस लीडर who recites the prayers for the removal of that bad spirit, that evil spirit from the body of that individual. The next treatment approach is known as trepanning. Trepanning is also known as trepanation. Trepanation, the word trepanning is derived from the Greek word trepanon. Trepanon means a device that is used for drilling the holes. So it means trepanning क्या चीज़ है? एक वो डिवाइस, वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो कि यूज़ होता है, ट्रेपनोन से निकला है, तो ट्रेपनोन मीन्स अ डिवाइस, वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो कि यूज़ हो सकता है कि किसी भी होल को ड्रिल करने के लिए. तो यहाँ पे जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज़ होता था ड्यूरिंग डार्क एजेस, द इंस्ट्रूमेंट दैट इज़ यूज, डिवाइस दैट इज़ यूज टू ड्रिल द होल इज़ अ शार्प स्टोन. एट दैट टाइम अ शार्प स्टोन वॉज यूज एज एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू ड्रिल द होल. अब ये होल किधर ड्रिल करना है, कहाँ पे बनाना है? इन द स्कल ऑफ ह्यूमन ब्रेन, एंड द इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज द सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर that in which a sharp stone is used as a device to drill the hole into the skull of human brain, with the purpose, again the purpose is same as in the exorcism, to release the evil spirit from the brain of the individual. Purpose दोनों का सेम था कि एक evil, it means concept वही है, डार्क एजेस में concept वही है कि जो evil spirit है उसकी possession है आपका abnormal behavior. आप normal functioning क्यों नहीं perform कर पा रहे? Because there is an evil spirit that is controlling कंट्रोलिंग योर बिहेवियर, और वो ही आपसे एक ऑड बिहेवियर परफॉर्म करवा रहा है. सो द पर्पस इज सेम ऑफ बोथ ट्रीटमेंट, आइदर इन एग्जॉर्सिज्म और इन ट्रैपनिंग. एग्जॉर्सिज्म फोकस करता है रिलीजियस प्रेयर्स और प्रैक्टिसेस पे, होली वाटर स्प्रिंकल कर दिया, प्रेयर्स पढ़ने शुरू हो गए, प्रैक्टिसेस परफॉर्म की डिफरेंट, जिनके थ्रू एक रिलीजियस लीडर जो है वो ट्रीटमेंट प्रोवाइड करके, वो प्रेयर्स ऑफर करके आपके इवल स्पिरिट को आपकी बॉडी से रिमूव करता है. और ट्रैपनिंग जो है एक सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर था. द पर्पस इज अगेन टू रिलीज दैट इवल स्पिरिट फ्रॉम द ब्रेन ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग. Then moving towards the Greeks and Roman period, they rejected the concept of demonology. During this time period, demonology, possession of demons was rejected. ये belief जो है वो reject हो गया. And according to Hippocrates, who was a Greek physician, mental illness is just like the physical illness. It is abnormality and it has natural causes. जिस तरह physical diseases की different causes होती हैं, mental disorders भी different causes की वजह से होते हैं, and these disorders are caused by the brain pathology as well as they can be transferred through heredity. Role of heredity भी Hippocrates ने बता दिया, और brain pathology भी बता दिया as a cause of mental disorders. Then he divided the mental disorders into three major categories. The first classification or category is known as melancholia, that is also known as depression. Second one is mania, and third one is phrenitis, that is also known as brain fever.